Hi there, good afternoon. It's April 26th, 2021, and this is Bob Rapp. I wanted to point you to a really useful workshop that we're going to spend some time going through in the following videos. So if you go to https://github.com/Harold Yellow Sally Sally Harold /MTC-open-workshop, you get to a great workshop that was built by Hyun Shin and Fahad Rafi. And it takes you through some pretty interesting concepts, which I think will be really interesting for us today and potentially tomorrow. The first is really just some basic concepts of machine learning, creating an AutoML experiment. Then we're going to open Studio Designer and use Studio Designer. That's a drag and drop or codeless way to do AutoML. There's also a session using the Python SDK, if that turns out to be something that's interesting to you. So some of you may be developers and write code, and some of you may not. So in either case, we'll create a compute instance, open it up, and then look at Python and Docker and take a look at how that works. And then we actually have an extra lab for day 2, and that is using a Jupyter notebook to train a data set. Then we're going to look at some other topics if we have time for them. So different ways to use VM types in Azure, how we use different compute targets, talk a little bit about TensorFlow, talk about deployment, and then we'll spend some time with ML pipelines and ML ops, and potentially do an ML pipeline breakout. So probably be some other topics we'll cover as well. But I just wanted to get you to this page and note that we're expecting that you're going to have an Azure account, and that you're going to actually have a GitHub account. And both of those can be trial accounts if you'd like. And so that's just the intro to what we're going to do for the next couple of days. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.